Okay, so just think about this. If this is a critical thinking question that I have in there, if intense workouts induce proteolytic activity, should a person do intense workouts and why? Okay, so if I go and I lift heavy and I max out and I do high intensity workouts, should I do those workouts? And should I work at that intensity? And the question is why? So we do know that exercise breaks down muscle tissue. In order for muscle tissue to actually grow and develop and be stronger, we have to damage that tissue, which seems counterintuitive again. So a lot of times people think I go and I lift weights and I get bigger because I'm lifting weights. Actually, when you lift weights, you're breaking down muscle tissue and then rebuilding that muscle tissue. So yes, if I want to do intense workouts, I need to do intense workouts specifically if I want to get stronger. And then, of course, as we will develop in this chapter, we need to be supplementing that intense workout with good protein in order to build those amino acids back.